Hey, what's good, y'all? Come on in. My name is Dominic Lewis, and this is our film lab.
In this video, we're giving you the behind-the-scenes look at the photodom film lab. From our scanners to our processing gear, this is the equipment that keeps your film alive and thriving. Let's take a look inside.
So first machine I'm going to show you guys is our Noritsu V50, aka Narita. This machine is designed to process up to 50 rolls an hour. It does 35 millimeter, it does 120, it does APS, it does 110. It can do any C41 process that you could think of except 4x5. That's one that we can't do this machine. This machine here is a leader transport machine. So the film goes on these leader transport cards. They get inserted into the machine. And then once it gets processed, goes through and it comes out fully dry, ready to be scanned. I'm gonna show you guys our next machine over here. This one here is a really special machine. It's a Noritsu V30P black and white. So this is a unicorn machine. Not a lot of people have this machine. This was converted from a traditional C41 process machine to become a black and white machine. So it takes black and white chemistry. We use T-Max developer and we use photographer's formula TF5 fixer. So we don't need a stop bath, we don't need a hypo clearing agent, and this thing runs pretty efficiently. It also allows us to control the speed at which the machine is moving at, so that way we can process films from anywhere between 4 minutes all the way up to 15 minutes. So we're gonna take you to the next space, which is our film darkroom here. And in the darkroom here is where we process all of our hand processed films. So anything that we do with E6 or ECN2, we even do 4x5 with this machine here. This is all ran through the JOBO CPP3 machine. This machine is great because it's very consistent when it comes to temperatures and also revolutions, so that way everything comes out exactly how it should come out. And owning one of these has been really great so far because we're able to just like kind of set it, forget it, and kind of walk away, come back to it when it's asking for more chemistry or for the next steps. So it's a great machine just for efficiency and for the most consistency when it comes to our film lab here. So you guys seen all of our developing machines, but now I gotta show you guys our film scanners, because these are the things that actually give us those rich images that we're looking for. So you come up here, you can take a look. You guys can see that we do have a couple different scanning stations here. Each scanning station has a different computer and a different scanner attached to it. First and foremost, the first station we have here is our flatbed scanning station and also our tape transfer station. We have two different tape transfer decks here. One of them we have here is made for high-8 transfers, and then the other one here we have is made for VHS and also mini DV. So we pretty much can transfer any tape type here, and it all connects to the computer and it gets scanned in, and then it comes out as an MP4 file. And then the other thing we have on this side is the Epson V850. This is a professional film scanner. This one actually is still made, that you can pick up on the market. It's one of the most professional scanners you can get that lets you scan flat media, 4x5s, and everything in between. So we do use it for that. So I'm gonna show you guys the next two stations that we have here. These two scanners are our bread and butter. This is our Noritsu HS1800 scanner. The number of the scanner 1800 is the number of frames that it can scan per hour. 1800 frames per hour, but I'm assuming that's at standard res and at the fastest quality. So this is great because with this scanner we can scan not just 35 millimeter, but also 120 with it, just by switching out these carriers on it. And we use it connected to a Mac. It's running Windows XP, so we kind of have it like as a virtual machine going back and forth between the two softwares. But this is a really efficient scanner, and this is what we do all of our basic scanning on. So if you're doing any of our basic services, it'll be done on this scanner right here. And these are also top of the line film scanners. You'll see this in most other film labs that you see around the world. The last film scanner that we have here, and also our newest film scanner, is our Fujifilm SP3000. So this film scanner here is kind of new to us. We had it for about a month and a half now. We're getting more familiar with it, but this film scanner is great because it is designed to scan not just 35 and not just 120, but it can also scan some of the alternative formats that we process here. Like we do process 110, and this is a scanner that we use to scan the 110 on as well. Because it's running on Windows XP, but there's two different computers that are running together with this scanner. One of them is for the scanning and one of them is for the output. So this is where you save the photos at. Next piece of machinery I'm gonna show you guys is our Fujifilm DX100 printer. We have two of these printers here. They're hooked up to different computers, but what's great about this printer is that they're very efficient in terms of how they pump out prints. A lot of people use these for photo booths, for events, for things like that, which is great because it can pump out prints really fast. You don't have to wait. It's not a long waiting time for the printing. and it does a lot of different types of media. So it can use 4x6 paper, 5x7 paper, and 8x10 paper in matte, luster, and glossy. So you can choose which media you want for this printer. It's great because it's really fast, great output, and it just pumps out the prints just as you need it. So anything y'all doing with us that's 8x10 or smaller, we're gonna be doing it on this printer right here. And last but not least, this is our Canon Pro 2100 printer. This is our large format printer that we use for any larger file sizes. So anything that you're printing bigger than 8x10, we're gonna do it on this printer right here. 11x14, 16x20, 18x24, 24x36. We do all that here on this printer. We're in the process of replacing this printer. We're gonna get a 44-inch printer, which we have yet to assemble, but this will be replaced with a bigger printer so we can do even bigger sizes here. So this ends our tour of our film lab. You guys seen everything from the machines, from the scanners, to the printers. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, leave me a comment below. And also if you guys are looking to process some film, go to filmprocessing.nyc. We can process your film for you. We're really fast, we're really efficient, and we're really professional. When it comes down to our customers, we take it very seriously. So if you guys are looking for a professional film lab here in Brooklyn, New York, it's the place to be. I'll see you guys later. Peace.